What are the phase patterns? For the best understanding of the topic phase patterns, let us consider an example of a heartbeat pulse. Actually, the actual data of heartbeat of a person is measured through a medical instrument and are represented in the form of a pulse. So we can say that the overall wave of a particular person's heartbeat is the actual pattern in which the heart pumps. Similarly, the overall pattern that is made by considering an antenna is called as a phase pattern. Thus, a phase pattern is defined as a graphical representation of the antenna radiation properties, which has the phase shift between the two electric field components, theta and phi. Now let's discuss the topic phase patterns in detail. Basically, we extract the phase information from the radiation pattern of the antenna. And for this purpose, we use the phase patterns. We also consider that the far field varies harmonically with time and frequency is known to us. So we can say that the knowledge of following quantities is a must for the known directions from the point source to the far field. First one is amplitude of the polar component E theta of the electric field as a function of R, theta and phi. Second one is the amplitude of E phi of the electric field as the function of R, theta and phi. Thus, the knowledge of above two quantities are important for the field of a point source. Moving into the topic, we can say that the amplitudes of the field components are known at a particular radius. So the radius from a point source in free space and their amplitudes at all distances are known from the inverse distance law. Thus, it's usually sufficient to specify E theta and E phi as function of theta and phi only by a set of field patterns. Related terms are